12 effective signs your body is begging for vital nutrients. It goes without saying that a nutritious and well-balanced diet is highly beneficial to your overall health. Meanwhile, if your diet lacks vital nutrients, you will experience unpleasant signs and symptoms. These signs are your body's way of telling you potential deficiencies. Therefore, you must recognize them to be treated early on. In today's video, we will share with you the 12 most common signs that your body communicates when you are deficient in essential nutrients. Number 1. Brittle hair and nails. A lack of biotin, also known as vitamin B7, may cause brittle hair and nails. You may notice other symptoms like muscle cramps, tingling in the peripheral limbs, cramps, and chronic fatigue. Biotin deficiency is most likely to affect heavy smokers or drinkers, pregnant women, individuals with digestive disorders, or those using prolonged antibiotics. You should note that eating raw egg whites causes biotin deficiency as well. A study dating back to February 1968 concluded that raw egg whites contain avidin, a protein that binds to biotin, reducing its absorption in the body. For adults suffering from brittle hair and nails, you can consider taking biotin supplements that would provide 30 micrograms. Alternatively, you can increase biotin-rich foods in your daily diets like organ meats, dairy, spinach, nuts, fish, seeds, egg yolks, whole grains, sweet potatoes, broccoli, cauliflower, yeast, and bananas. Number 2. Bleeding gums or slow wound healing. Poor oral hygiene may cause bleeding gums, but a diet low in vitamin C is the prime cause. Vitamin C plays a massive role in immunity and wound healing, and even prevents cell damage by acting as an antioxidant. You must maintain adequate levels of vitamin C through diet, since the body is unable to synthesize vitamin C. The best source of vitamin C is fresh fruits and vegetables, so try to eat about 3 to 5 servings daily. Deficiency in this vital nutrient can lead to other health issues like slow wound healing, frequent nosebleeds, dry, scaly skin, and easy bruising. If there is a severe lack of vitamin C, it can lead to scurvy, which weakens muscles and bones, depresses the immune system, and makes individuals lethargic. Number 3. Scaly patches and dandruff. Scaly patches, also known as seborrhoeic dermatitis, affect the oil-producing areas of the body, which causes itchy, flaky skin. Numerous factors can cause dandruff and seborrhoeic dermatitis, but commonly occur in people lacking vital nutrients. These include low blood levels of niacin, vitamin B3, pyridoxine, vitamin B6, riboflavin, vitamin B2, and zinc. To improve B-complex vitamins and zinc levels in your body, ensure to pack your diet with meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, green and starchy vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and legumes. Number 4. White or red bumps on the skin. These bumps, called keratosis pilaris, produce elevated red or white spots on the skin. It is suggested that they appear when hair follicles overproduce keratin. Even though it does have a genetic component, it has also been observed in individuals with low blood levels of vitamin C and A. In such cases, do visit your dermatologist for treatment with medicated creams and consider adding vitamin A and C rich foods into your daily diet. These foods include eggs, organ meat, dark leafy greens, yellow-orange colored vegetables, and fruits. Number 5. Restless leg syndrome. Also known as Willis-Ekbom disease, restless leg syndrome, RLS, is a nerve condition that causes unpleasant sensations in the legs, making it irresistible for one to move them. This urge seems to intensify when trying to sleep or relax. Even though there is limited research on its causes, there appears to be a link between RLS and low blood iron levels in the body. In women, it is prevalent during pregnancy, where iron levels tend to drop. Apart from supplementation, it is helpful to increase the intake of iron-rich foods such as dark leafy greens, poultry, meat, seeds, legumes, and whole grains. Combining these with vitamin C-rich foods reinforces the effect because it increases iron absorption in the body. Number 6. Poor night vision and white growth in eyes. Night blindness is associated with low levels of vitamin A, which reduces people's ability to see clearly in darkness or low light. Vitamin A is necessary to produce rhodopsin, a pigment found in the retina that helps with night vision. If left untreated, deteriorating night vision can eventually damage the cornea and lead to blindness. Another early symptom is Bittot's spots. These are foamy, slightly elevated white growths occurring on the conjunctiva of the eyes. If you suspect or are diagnosed with vitamin A deficiency, always talk to your doctor before starting any supplements, because vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that can be toxic if not used only in the prescribed dosage. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 7. Mouth ulcers or cracks in mouth corners. Mouth ulcers or lesions in and around the mouth are often due to deficiencies in B-complex vitamins or iron levels. Moreover, angular cheilosis, a condition causing mouth cracks, is caused by excess salivation or dehydration. The Journal of Oral Pathology study showed that a lack of vitamins B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, and B6, pyridoxine, could be considered as possible precipitating factors in recurrent aphthous ulceration. Number 8. Burning sensations in feet or tongue. If you have these burning symptoms in your feet or tongue, you are quite likely suffering from low levels of vitamin B12. This vital nutrient plays an essential role in your body by producing hemoglobin, part of your red blood cells that receive oxygen. A lack of vitamin B12 can affect changes in thinking, memory, or behavior and slow down digestion. You can boost your nutrient levels by having a daily dose of nutritional yeast, coconut milk, fortified soy, and almond milk. Number 9. Irregular heartbeats. This symptom is a common sign of a deficiency in blood calcium levels. Calcium regulates your heartbeat, so a lack of it can cause irregular heartbeats, arrhythmias, and even chest pain. Other calcium deficiency symptoms accompanying are muscle cramps, fractures, and twitches around your face and mouth. Ideally, adults should be receiving 1,000 milligrams of calcium daily from foods and supplements. Calcium-rich foods include salmon, broccoli, and dairy products. Number 10. Fatigue. It is the most common and early symptom of vitamin deficiencies. Most people simply brush it off, blaming their busy lifestyles. Fatigue can be due to dehydration, so ensure that you drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Other nutrient shortfalls causing fatigue can be low vitamin B12, iron, and magnesium. Over time, these deficiencies may result in anemia, weakness, and poor concentration. If you find your fatigue unrelenting and you are unable to find relief after a few good nights of sleep, you may want to pay a visit to your nearest healthcare provider to get some blood tests done. Number 11. Bone pain. According to a study published in October 2011, a deficiency in blood vitamin D levels can result in muscle weakness, low bone mass, fractures, bone pain, and falls. And if it gets severe, it can cause osteomalacia in adults and rickets in children. The 3 most effortless ways to raise your vitamin D levels quickly are getting outside and exposing your skin to sunlight, taking a vitamin D supplement, and adding vitamin D-rich foods to your diet. Vitamin D-rich food sources include dairy products, eggs, fortified cereals, mushrooms, salmon, trout, and cod liver oil. Number 12. Dark circles. Under eye circles are one of the most common and easiest signs to look out for in case of nutrient deficiencies. A common reason can be tiredness and dehydration, but bigger culprits are a lack of vital micronutrients like vitamins E, C, K, B12, zinc, and iron levels. Drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, sleeping 8 hours a day, and eating a healthy and well-balanced diet will improve dark circles and your overall health. You should keep a regular check on what foods you are putting into your body and supplement with the necessary vitamins and minerals accordingly. Make sure that you get a full blood panel checked annually. Your body is yours, and it is your responsibility to ensure that it is in optimal health. So eat well and live a beautiful and healthy life because you deserve it. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!